Hello everyone, I'm Ruby, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make avatars like me sing. Sit back, and don't go anywhere.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ruby Studio. My name is Ruby. On today's episode, I will be teaching us 3 AI tools we'll be using to make that viral videos we just watched. Yes, so many of us have been seeing the viral videos here and there of, our AI images singing and all of that. In this video, I will be giving us tips on how to use this AI tools completely free. Yes, you heard me right, completely free. Trust me, you don't want to miss any part of this video. I would encourage you not to skip. Do not skip, because even if these tools are very free and out there, if you miss any step, you might not be able to work for you. So just stick around, sit back, hold your pencil and hold your biro and your book, and let's get right into the video. To start with, you need to get your music. And how do you get your music? Some of us don't have not published any form of music before. So to get some music, we have to head over to TikTok. So depending on the kind of video you want to use, go to TikTok. If it is trendy music you want, you go to TikTok and search trendy music, and it will give you so many options of the songs you can use. And so you have to be very deliberate on the kind of music you are going to choose for your video. Or another thing you can do is mute the music on YouTube while you just use the sound on TikTok if you are generating the video for TikTok. So just mute it on YouTube, and then you can use it normally on TikTok. So, or if you want to use it on YouTube, after making your video, you have to post it on YouTube in private and search if it has any copyright infringement. If it doesn't, then your video will pass to be able to use the sound on YouTube. But if it does not, you have to change it.
So we have been able to successfully download our musical video from TikTok. This is the song I have chosen to use. We go back to our browser and we search for MP3 converter. After searching for MP3 converter, you click on the first one. It is free converter. You click on it and then it takes you to this interface. You choose your file. Click on choose your file, and after choosing your file, you choose from a device. This means you will upload the video you have downloaded from TikTok. You select the video and then upload it to the MP3 converter. After uploading it, you will tell it to convert, and then it will start downloading your conversion for you. Wait a bit for it to download, and after it's finished downloading, you click on the download button. You can see the download button. Click on the download button, and then you are able to download it to your own device. So you can also check your downloaded device to be sure that it has successfully downloaded. You can also play this music for you to be sure that that is what you actually wanted to download, and then we move. Go to your browser and search lip sync AI. If you are using an iOS, it might not quickly pop up on the front page, so you might have to scroll a bit downwards, then you will find it. click on it and sign in. One thing about Lipsync AI is you must not miss a day of signing in. Once you miss a day, you will not be eligible to keep getting points again afterwards. So you have to make it a point of duty to always come back and sign in every day. Then you will be entitled to the points that you would get. And here is the point. You can see on different days you have different points, so you'll be able to accumulate them and then you have them at the end of the day. I'll soon be showing you how I did this on my laptop, but before then I want to quickly show you something on iOS. If you are using an iOS phone, you might not be able to get this thing done. You might need an Android phone. Here is why. After uploading your avatar, which is your picture that you want to use to sing, or the image you want to make to sing, after uploading it, the next thing you're supposed to do is to be able to upload your audio. Now, if you see in this upload audio, that is number 3, in this upload audio, there is no space for you to click if you look at it very well, which is not the same on an Android phone. So if you're using an iOS phone, which is iPhone, you might not be able to do it on your phone. You might have to get an Android phone, or you have to use your laptop, just the way I did. The second tool you can use is One AI. You go to your browser and click and search for One AI. Once you search for One AI, you click on it. This also requires you to sign in every day in order to be able to claim your point. So when you get to One AI, you want to go to avatar. From avatar, you click on. So another issue here is that One AI does not also support this thing on iOS. It means Android users are having a field day.
Now let's get to the video proper. The first thing you do is to sign in into Lipsync AI, as I've showed you previously. Then click on the add photos, which I have already done. Click on it and then upload your avatar. While it is loading, you can see that number 2, step 2, we have model select. You have to select either of model 1 or model 2. I'm going to show you the differences between the first and the second model, but give me a second. So the next thing you do is the third one, which is the third step, which is the reason why we could not use our iOS. You upload your audio. I would not want to use the subtitles because it can be very misleading at times, so I'm going to input my own subtitle. But you upload your own music, that is your audio, and then you click on generate. You can see the number of credits is going to generate. Because I did this once previously, I'm going to take us through a fresh process of doing another one. This is very simple and straightforward. Go to the home page and then go to singing photo. When you click on singing photo, you are going to upload your photo, which is what we are doing currently. After uploading your photo, you choose your model, which is the second step. You either choose the first model or the second model. The difference is the first model is not as expressive as the second model. So if you want hand gestures, body movements and the likes, you use the second model. Most of the time they consume same amount of credit, so which is very okay. So choose the one you would like. Then the next thing for you to do is to upload your audio. Choose the audio that you would like, in that you have saved previously and converted to mp3. So after uploading, you listen to it to be sure that that is what you want to go ahead with, and after listening to it, you generate it, and you can see the amount of credit it takes you to be able to generate. I would not want us to use the subtitle because it can be very funny at times. You can say something that is not and then say another thing, so I would want to add my own subtitle by myself. So the next thing we will do is we will generate our video, and then we are going to wait for it. So we are generating the video, and you can minimize it and keep doing something else. So for you to see what you are doing after you have minimized, you go down to my creations. You can see my creations at the top and you can see it at the bottom. So these are your creations. This is the one that is processing currently, and you can see it is quite fast, and I have to make this video very fast, and then it will successfully download. After it has downloaded on
the lip sync AI, the next thing for you to do is to be able to download it into your own device. Actually, be it you're using your phone or you're using your computer. After downloading, it means that your video is already successful. So the next thing for you to do is just to play it and see the magic that has been done with lip sync AI. Your video is going to be singing normally, and that's just it. You see, I'm trying to download it. I'm a bit faster than what is on the screen, but I'm very sure we are following. Download it and go to your downloads, and then you will find your video there. So let's get right into it and play this video. Our video is ready. Let's watch. You can see the movement, you can see everything, you can see the hand gestures. It is communicating. I don't want to play this music because of copyright infringement. We all know that. So you can see the way she's moving her body, you can see everything. Fantastic. Just create a just create a TikTok or Instagram account. Those ones are still more friendly with other music, using other people's music. Create one of those accounts and then start making your money from it.
I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial so far. One last tip that I want to give you is that when you are generating your avatar, please ensure that it matches the vibe or the mood of what you want or the type of music you are using. If it is going to be a very joyful, dancing bedu kind of song, you just have to make sure that your avatar is cheerful, is smiling, is all that happy. There is happiness written all over your avatar. And if it is a solemn kind of song and very slow music, then you can make sure that your avatar is emotional, is emotions is written all over your avatar. I hope you have enjoyed this video so far. So please give my video a thumbs up and share with whoever you think will know this video. Please help me and support me. Subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and like. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.